afternoon. Thank you for being willing to join this interview today. Could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fadiansyah, and you can call me Ferdi. And I'm from English Literature Study Program, in 2023.
Okay. Today, we would like to ask several questions related to the ongoing campus facility construction and how it affects students' comfort, cleanliness, and safety during campus activities. Okay. How has your experience been carrying out activities on campus during the ongoing construction process?
My experience during the construction process is a little bit disturbed because sometimes when I go to campus, when I go to my room, I have to passing the construction, and it's sometimes quite dangerous or maybe little bit dusty because the dust from the construction bertebaran itu gimana-mana, dan kadang juga kalau terburu-buru bisa saja kita jatuh karena banyak bebatuan yang belum terpakai atau mungkin sudah terpakai tapi masih berada di pinggir-pinggir karena mungkin suatu hal gitu ya. Tapi overall ini I feel okay, not even, mungkin tidak terlalu membahayakan aja.
Is the campus atmosphere still comfortable for studying and daily activities? What you think?
Oke, kalau bicara comfortable, mungkin sebagian besar tidak ya, karena akan sebagian besar itu most of the assignment from our lecturer is taking video in campus environment. Jadi kadang itu kalau mau take video seperti sekarang ini banyak kebisingan dan bahkan mungkin latar atau backgroundnya itu tidak cocok karena yang harusnya kita mau take video student life or daily life in kampus, tapi latarnya pekerja gitu. Kemudian tadi saya lupa mengenai pengalaman saya itu pada saat awal-awal itu saya agak tidak suka karena kampus harus di online kan. Kita tidak bisa masuk ke kampus karena perbaikan jalan, jadi harus di online kan selama mungkin sekitar 2-3 minggu, dan itu sangat mengganggu perkuliahan karena saya tidak bisa paham ini ini dosen gimana, karena kadang internet itu buruk kalau pagi atau siang hari. Terus waktu lomba kemarin untuk take video itu saya harus take video sampai 10 kali take karena ribut di depan ruangan.
What do you think about the level student safety in the campus areas currently under the construction?
Level student, talking about level student, maybe in 5 level because it's safety, but nah kayak ini kita aman tapi tergantung mahasiswanya lagi gimana, mereka bisa berhati-hati atau tidak gitu sih.
Okay. In your opinion, has the campus provide sufficient safety measures and wearing sign around the construction areas?
Yes, of course. They have a sign like hati-hati ada pekerjaan di sini, dan ada juga kadang itu pita-pita yang tanda polisi begitu. Itu mereka pasang di semua tempat yang mereka kerjakan.
Okay. Do you think the student calm spending time on campus during the construction or enjoy?
I think they still spend time in campus because you can see around masih banyak mahasiswa yang masih tinggal di kampus sampai jam-jam 4 nantinya, dan tapi ini terbatas karena kampus kan tutup jam 6 sore, jadi mungkin sampai jam 5 mereka masih ada di sini dan mereka aman-aman aja, santai-santai aja.
For you, have you ever experienced or witnessed a situation that you considered dangerous during the construction process? Could you describe it yeah.
Okay, for me, I didn't have experience like that, but my friend has. Teman saya pernah ini kejatuhan debu atau kejatuhan apa namanya kayak apa sih kayak pasir-pasir dari atas gitu pas selama konstruksi berlangsung ya.
Okay, which area of the campus do you think is most affected by the construction, both in terms safety and comfort, or your experience?
Oh, I think the ground and pekarangannya jadi lebih cantik. Sekarang sudah banyak sekali kursi-kursi yang bisa ditempati saat menonton acara-acara atau kegiatan-kegiatan di lapangan basket. Terus dekanat juga jadi lebih cantik dan lebih oke. Gitu sih.
Okay. For you, in your opinion, what improvements should the campus make to ensure students feel safe and comfortable during the construction period?
Kalau menurut saya itu sebaiknya ya pembangunan itu dilaksanakan di masa-masa libur semester, karena pada saat itu mahasiswa tidak ada di kampus. Kalau pembangunan diadakan di masa perkuliahan kan masih banyak mahasiswa dan banyak yang terkendala di jalan mungkin, atau mungkin terkendala di ruangannya karena ruangan diperbaiki.
Okay, so overall, do you support the ongoing campus facilities development? Why or why not?
Saya sangat support. I really support this facilities development because I hope, dan saya sangat mengharapkan fasilitas yang sangat menunjang untuk proses perkuliahan. Karena dengan fasilitas yang menunjang, perkuliahan bisa dilaksanakan dengan nyaman dan tenang.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah.
Okay, we hope this interview can provide useful insight and perspective regarding the current campus situation. So let's thank you for today.
Okay, so before we start, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Husni Nur Olivia and I'm from English Literature Study Program.
Okay, so how has your experience been on campus during the ongoing construction development?
Honestly, my experience on campus during the construction it's still normal because the construction is only there in the campus and it doesn't disrupt my activities.
Okay, so in your opinion, is the campus environment still comfortable for studying and daily activities?
It is still comfortable, but sometimes it's a little dust.
So, what do you think about student safety in the campus area that are currently under construction?
I think student safety it is still okay because the construction area is still the yard in the campus and it's separate from the main buildings.
Okay. So, do you think the construction development affect the cleanliness of the campus environment, such as dust, construction waste, or noise?
Yeah, sometimes there is dust from the construction, but it's still not too much, and it's still manageable.
Do you think the campus has provided enough safety measures and warning sign around the construction area?
I think the campus has provide enough safety measure and warning sign around the construction area.
Okay, so does the construction process affect student concentration or comfort while studying on the campus?
The construction does not really affect my concentration or comfort while studying because honestly, saya pribadi never hear sounds like a machine like that.
And have you ever experienced or witnessed a situation that you consider dangerous during the construction process?
I have never experienced or seen dangerous situation during the construction process.
Which area on the campus do you think is most affected by the construction in terms of safety or comfort?
I think the most affect area is near the campus, actually because sometimes the route is a little bit confusing to pass.
Okay. And what improvement do you think the campus should make to ensure students feel safe and comfortable during the construction process?
I think the campus can improve by making clear paths and adding more sign for student safety.
Overall, do you support the campus development project that is currently taking place?
I think overall I support a project pembangunan kampus to improve because it is improve the campus in the future.
Thank you.
Yeah.